MegaEIS is a modular system. It can go up to 2000 amps or 1000 volts, and the number of independent voltage sensing channels can be up to 1024. So this is a very humble version of a system which can be much larger. We deliver the system as a load for fuel cells, or as a source for electrolyzers, or as a combination of a load with an external source, which is good for battery testing. The front panel contains a power button and 3 LED diodes, one for error, one for scan and one for output. So this is the rear part of the device. You can see many terminals, connectors, etc. And the system contains also many cables, tubes and other accessories which are delivered in plastic bags like this. If we start in the upper left corner, you can see here a fuse, then an Ethernet switch, the core card, which is the main card in the system, and 5 EVM cards which are responsible for the voltage sensing measurements. So let us connect the cards using the Ethernet cables to the Ethernet switch. Here is a connector for an emergency stop. So let us connect it. And then there are 2 independent voltage probes designed for, in this case, for 200 volts, both of them. So let us connect them. These 2 voltage probes can be used for the measurement of the complete stack or its parts. Let us connect a power cord now. Here is a series of terminals. These 4 terminals are from the output stage. The upper 2 are minus and the lower 2 are plus. And here are 2 terminals for the booster. Again, the upper is minus and the lower is plus. Now we have to install a protective cover. The same cover is delivered for the booster terminals, but because we are not connecting a booster, we can use just covers like this. Now follows a connection of the cooling pipes. And let us open the valves. The last, but definitely not the least, is the connection of the cables to the EVM cards which are responsible for the voltage sensing measurements. For this purpose, we deliver cables like this. Every EVM card can simultaneously measure up to 8 channels. We also deliver PCBs like this, which are designed for voltage sensing measurement from the individual channels of the tested device. It is designed in 2 variants for series or differential sensing of the voltage. Let us start to discharge the battery pack by 5 amps, and let us perform an EIS measurement starting from 1 kHz going down to 1 Hz with the amplitude of 3 amps. So the device is adapting at the beginning and the first frequency is already done, and we have to be patient. If we wait a few seconds, everything will be finished. the measurement is done. We can see here the beautiful half circle for the first voltage probe, which measured the voltage at the complete pack. And let us look on the individual cells. And we can see here 16 beautiful half circles, every corresponding to one single cell of the pack.